right ventricle. So blood is circulated two times in a heart, one time as a oxygenated blood and another time as a deoxygenated blood. So when you taking the oxygen from the lungs, lungs containing the alveoli, which are sac-like structure, very thin and membranous, and that made up of simple squamous epithelium. So that simple squamous epithelium provide easily diffusion of oxygen into the blood. Now this oxygen diffuses easily into the blood and comes into the pulmonary vein. This is the only vein which receives the oxygenated blood. All the veins generally receive the deoxygenated blood. Now this pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood comes into the left atrium. Now left atrium receives the oxygenated blood and pressure increase. So there is a two word, one is diastolic, another is systolic. During the cardiac cycle, when one heartbeat is take place, that takes 0.8 second. In the 0.8 second, four events are take place. That is called arterial systole and diastole, ventricular systole and diastole. Diastole means relaxation state and systole means contraction state, जब pressure ज़्यादा होता है. So there is a when diastolic pressure is there, when pump blood comes in left atrium, the pressure increases and valve open, which are present between the atrium and ventricle. That is called bicuspid valve. Now valve is open and blood comes into the left ventricle. What is the function of ventricle? The function of ventricle to pump the blood. Now this pump the blood to the dorsal aorta. So up to here, that is called pulmonary circulation. When the blood comes from the right atrium and goes right ventricle and pump again into the vena cava, this pulmonary that artery, and then goes into the lung alveoli, that comes the pulmonary circulation. And another circulation, that is systematic circulation, which transport the blood to the tissue and organ and then emptied the blood to the right atrium. This is called systematic circulation. So left ventricle pumps the blood to the dorsal aorta, which carry the network that is called arterioles and capillaries. This dorsal aorta carry the blood to the tissue and organ. That oxygenated, oxygen-rich blood used by the cells and tissue for the purpose of respiration and release the large amount of carbon dioxide as a product. Now CO2 is releases and this goes into the, now blood comes into the vena cava. Now this vena cava transport the blood to the right atrium, and then there is a pressure also increase, and the valve present in the right atrium and ventricle, tricuspid valve now open, and then ventricle pump the blood to the where? Pulmonary artery. This is the only artery which receives the deoxygenated blood. So this comes to the lung alveoli and then again process is take place. So here the important point is there are two type of circulation, pulmonary circulation and one is the systematic circulation. And another system, that is called hepatic portal system, which circulate the blood to the digestive system and the liver. Very important, hepatic portal system circulate the blood from digestive system and the liver. And that pulmonary and systematic circulation. Systematic circulation contain vein, venule and vena cava, transport the blood to the tissue and organs, and then vena cava empties the blood to the right atrium. And then right ventricle pump the blood. From here pulmonary circulation starts and alveoli and then pulmonary vein and comes into the left atrium. So this is the whole process of double circulation, and these are the points.